Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a nude lip gloss step by step. I'm going for the nude lip gloss that NYX used to have called Cinnamon Roll that is discontinued. So yeah, we're gonna see if we could come out with that kind of color. Also be mindful that everyone's preference in nude or the definition of nude is different, so you can always tailor your mixture to your liking, whether you are making this for yourself or for your business. I'm making this for my business, so I'm going to try and make a true nude lip gloss for everyone. So yeah, just stay tuned to the end of the video. I will have swatches of the lip gloss on my lips and everything. So yeah, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hey guys, you will need a brown lip pigment and a white lip pigment. I was talking during a voiceover, so you may have missed it when I showed the lip pigments that I have in the beginning of the video. Or you can also use brown mica powder. And also I got all my ingredients from TKB Trading. So you can go on their site and get the nude colors or the browns that is suitable for you, but make sure you have a white lip pigment to dilute the color. So I added 4 drops of brown and 3 drops of white, and you want to mix it really well, because if you don't, you will see the white in your tubes if you don't mix it really well. So make sure you mix it really well. Also, if you're using mica, you could mix the mica first to get the brown of your liking, like how dark you want it, and then begin to add the white. So yeah, you want to add as many white drops as you want. In some clips the lip gloss was overexposed, so here's the true color that I have right here in this clip. For this mixture, you will need a flavoring oil or a scent, because if you ever bought a lipstick, it smells just like lipstick, the pigment. And I'm using the Get Suckered flavoring oil right here. And also these flavoring oils, they are way better than the Loran oils. And in my last video I mentioned getting some from Get Suckered. So you guys, if you have a lip gloss business, or you're going to go into lip gloss business, make sure you buy from them. They are also a small business right now too. Make sure you get their oils, because their oils are like way better than Loran oils. I was having some technical difficulties filling these tubes on camera, but if you get any air pockets or gaps, just go back and push the syringe in a little bit and continue filling the tubes, or you can sit your tubes into a lipstick stand, and all the lip gloss will go down into the tube, and then you could go back and refill the tubes.